Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off notifications for fundraisers on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So once you've signed into your Instagram account, you want to select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right and go down and select notifications. And now that we are in here, select the Fundraisers button. And if you want to turn off fundraisers, you can select the off option, or if you want to enable it, just select turn on. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.